that segues into the question of President Obama's, and you know, how has it changed our lives? President Obama has refused to sign this reunification. He has not signed it. They give it to him. He did not sign it. What Bush did for the Cubans. So that's an aside. He's still our president. I'm still a Democrat. I'm still going to vote for him. But if you represent me, I have a right to demand that you serve my community as well. President Obama can do that with a signature. These 100,000 people, 112,000 people will be here today. To date, he has not wanted to do it. And we got to put pressure on him, not the bureaucrats, on President Barack Obama, the person we give blood, sweat, and tears for, to put in the White House.
The only reason why you have 112,000 Haitians that are sitting in Haiti waiting to be reunited with their families, it's bureaucrats. Now, what President Bush did in 2007, he signed an executive order granting family reunification to Cubans, okay? And now I think, you know, I mean, I have no family members in Haiti. I have no family members in that group. And I think it's time for us to unite. I think it's time for us to actually fight for these people that are sitting there waiting to get here. And I think President Obama should be able to either direct Janet Napolitano to do so, or just sign the executive order to allow these folks to be united here in the United States with their family members.